It's currently 5:50 a.m. and welcome to a morning routine in my life vlog. So right now I'm just finishing up my electrolyte slash carb powder. Today is a easy run day, which means मैं around 5 miles at a 9 minute per mile pace या फिर 10 minute per mile pace भागूंगा. My plan is to go to my campus, जो कि यहाँ से like 15 minutes दूर है on my electric bike. तो प्लान है कि कैंपस पर जाके जिम में मेरी बैग रखूँगा वहाँ पे एंड देन आई जस्ट स्टार्ट रनिंग इन द कैंपस, क्योंकि रोड्स पर भाग भाग के मैं बोर हो गया हूँ थोड़ा. तो कैंपस इज़ मच मोर ब्यूटीफुल, मच मोर सीरीन. अभी और कोई प्लान नहीं है. रिसेंटली जिम शार्क की 4th of July सेल थी, उसमें मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा कपड़े ऑर्डर करे. one hour run is like you're gonna be a sweatshop. So okay, so I'm gonna finish this, get dressed up and head to the campus, and then I'll meet you at the start of the run. Bye. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the outfit before we left. So here is the new running shorts that I got from Gymshark. They're pink. I love them. And then this shirt was the one I got last November during the Black Friday sale. I'm currently really lean right now, weighing at around I think I am weighing somewhere around 67 to 68 kilograms, but I'm not like tracking my weight. I'm just focusing on learning how to run, because moving on we will be training as hybrid athletes. So एक चीज़ जो मैंने realize करी है from like 7 years of weight training was that कि weight training करते करते I really lost my cardiovascular endurance. It was very difficult for me कि मैं 1 mile भी बिना रुके भाग पाऊँ शुरुआत में, which is somewhere around 1.6 kilometers. So made me realize that I don't really want to train like this anymore, because cardiovascular endurance and your flexibility, your mobility of your joints, all of these things count as fitness. So it is not just going into the gym कि आप dumbbell मारो, barbell squats मारो, etc. So yeah, I mean my brain is not working fully right now क्योंकि अभी it's just like half an hour since I've woken up, or maybe 45 minutes. So I'm gonna leave immediately. Also आगे की बातें घर आके करेंगे, क्योंकि I don't wanna be like bothered when I'm trying to be in the zone. तो मैं मोस्टली यहाँ वहाँ के सीन्स भागते हुए डाल दूंगा, बट आई वुड ट्राई नॉट टू टॉक टू द कैमरा, बिकॉज अगेन व्हेन यू आर इन द जोन मुझे फोकस करना है. सिंस आई एम स्टिल learning how to run, it is difficult for me to like do multiple things together. So I hope you guys understand, and I'm gonna see you right after the run. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the montages that I make during the run. Bye. So we have parked our electric scooter. This is my gym. I'm just gonna go inside, change up my shoes, and then I'm gonna head out for the run. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Just look at it. The sun hasn't come up yet. This is the best feeling that I get when I wake up before the sun comes up and I'm doing my runs, or like just getting out of the house before the sun shows up. That's a feeling I look forward to. So I'm gonna start my run. I'm late, but we'll get it through. So stay tuned. Rest of the talk we're gonna do after I get home. Bye bye. 1 mile in, guys, you have to see this. It's beautiful. This is exactly why I love waking up before the sun. Beautiful. Whoa. Yeah. So 2 miles in. 3 miles in. Okay.
3 miles in. I don't even know if my voice is being recorded or not. Ah, thanks. We have another fellow coming in. Let's cross it. 4 miles in, we are at Lake Alice. Beautiful. Four miles. Last one to go. We are 41 minutes in. So hopefully finish it up by 50. Let's see. Okay, done with the run. It was amazing. The sun is just up, nothing too crazy. It's not that hot. I'm soaked in sweat. Amazing. And this is like, if you can see, 51 minutes, 5 miles. I'm only a beginner. I'm trying to push as much as possible. This was an easy run, so my heart rate did not go above I think 158 was the highest. I was tracking it throughout the entire run. I'm sorry, मैं ज़्यादा हिंदी में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि I think like working with like all the my American friends for like 2 months, 3 months now, it's like I'm more used to speaking in English than in Hindi. तो वो थोड़ा convert करने में बीच में it's a little difficult, but I'm sorry. Also, I don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna go back into the gym now, and I'm going to stretch and then head home, and then I'll shoot the remainder of the video at home. I have a few things to tell you guys, and then we'll just have our amazing breakfast and we'll end the video. So I'll see you guys at my house. Bye.
Okay, so we are back home, and this is my outfit for the rest of the day. I just got this yesterday. This is the oversized Gymshark hoodie. I think it's the brown color, and same for the pants. I don't know the exact color, but it's some shade of brown. So yeah, I love it. I'm not working out today. Like, I don't have a strength training session, so that was my only workout. I want to show you guys this thing. ये देखो. Finally मेरा dream almost थोड़ा complete होने को आ रहा है. I have this entire line filled with Gymshark clothes, but these are not Gymshark. They are just like random flannels. But yeah, I got another one of the oversized hoodies yesterday. It's like a titanium greenish color, and then we have black rest day pants. तो मैंने अभी जो पैंट पहनी है, it's similar to those but just black in color. Then I have a blue or sky blue shorts. It's the same two shorts, but one is in yellow, one is in sky blue. And then these are the ones that I got during Black Friday. I got these running shorts. तो ये और ये नए running shorts है, because anyone who runs knows कि you basically wash them every other day क्योंकि the sweat accumulation is just too much. और ये भी मैंने पिछले Black Friday में मंगाया था. So now I am just looking forward to the next Black Friday because I just love Gymshark, and I don't want to basically wear anything other than Gymshark. Yeah. So just back, I had my electrolytes again because I sweated a lot. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि I was wearing a cap, and I never wear a cap, like they don't suit me that much. But मैं cap पहन रहा हूँ on my short runs as well as long runs ताकि I can track my sodium outtake. Now this doesn't make sense too much, but सुनो, बेसिकली अगर कोई इंसान बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेट करता है, ही स्वेटिंग प्रोफ्यूसली, तो अगर उसके स्वेट में से बहुत ज़्यादा सोडियम एक्सक्रीट हो रहा है बॉडी में, तो यूजुअली आपने देखा होगा कि उसके क्लोथ्स या फिर हैट पे वाइट स्टेन्स आते हैं ऐसे, लाइक अराउंड द बॉर्डर. तो दैट इज लाइक सोडियम अक्यूमुलेशन. तो हम उससे एक एस्टिमेट निकाल सकते हैं कि ओके योर बॉडी इज एक्सक्रीटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ सोडियम या फिर कम सोडियम कर रही है, तो उसके हिसाब से वी कैन मैनिपुलेट आवर सोडियम इनटेक फॉर ऑप्टिमाइजिंग द परफॉर्मेंस. और एक मेथड है जो मैं यूजुअली इंडोर्स यूज करता हूँ, दैट इज जस्ट, it is a little disgusting, but you can just like taste some of your sweat. So I know it is like really really weird, but I do really do this. It's like you can just like taste a drop or two of your sweat and figure out ki if it's like highly concentrated in sodium or if it's not, and then manage your sodium intake accordingly. उसके अलावा और मुझे क्या बताना था, आई मीन 2-3 चीज़ें थी जो मुझे शेयर करनी थी, एंड दैट आर लाइक प्रीटी बिग थिंग्स, बट आई एम रियली हंग्री एंड आई वांट टू हैव माय ब्रेकफास्ट फर्स्ट. और मैं यूजुअली आई डोंट लाइक डू एनीथिंग else when I'm like consuming meals from the last like let's say 1 or 2 months. तो मैं सिर्फ खाने पे फोकस करता हूँ. The max I would do is like listen to a podcast which I was on the morning run. I also want to tell you about the whole podcast thing, the podcast that I've been listening to, the people who are influencing my life. There's so much that I want to tell you guys. So एक काम करते हैं, मैं फटाफट अपना नाश्ता कर लेता हूँ. I'll show you guys. Hold on. Let's go. And oh, chappals. My house is a mess, so I'm gonna wear my house slippers. Okay. Fridge. So it's back there. It's basically my overnight oats that I prepare in advance, like meal prep. तो मैं फटाफट वो खाऊंगा, and then after that post breakfast walk for like 15 minutes, and then we'll talk I'm so sorry, post breakfast walk पे हम लोग बात करेंगे. तो please excuse me, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so we are done with our breakfast. I wanted to show you guys this as well. I got these pink flip-flops. I really love the color, so I just like got them to like wear on my rest days and stuff. And I also got these Gymshark socks, and I also love the color of these. So उसके लिए मैंने दोनों खरीद लिए. The one of the perks of working 35 plus hours every single week in the summer vacation and not going back to India and not seeing your family is that you get to buy stuff which actually matters to you. Yeah. So let's walk out. Okay. So what is it that I wanted to tell you guys? Oh yeah. So first let's start with the first thing. So first things first, I am now training more of as a hybrid athlete. It's like, so here's the story. I used to train weights for like 7 years now. तो मैंने अपना जिम जाना चालू करा था 2017 में, एंड फिर ऑन एंड ऑफ इनकन्सिस्टेंटली मैंने 6-7 साल ट्रेन करा. यहाँ पर आने के बाद भी आई गॉट लॉस्ट, हैड लाइक ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर्स. आई हैव माई फेयर शेयर विद दैट, बट वो किसी और वीडियो में बात करेंगे. सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि लास्ट 2 महीने में आई फेल्ट, so I had like a thing where I was like, I don't exactly remember when it was, but I was basically running a mile with someone. और हुआ क्या कि 1 mile is almost like 1.6 kilometers, something like that. Yeah, तो हम लोग भाग रहे थे. Okay, so yeah, हम लोग भाग रहे थे, and I couldn't run it. Like I couldn't run 1 mile without taking a stop. And run matlab I'm not even saying like sprint, like just like consistently keep going for 1.6 kilometers without stopping, and I couldn't do it. And I was like, bro, I've been training in the gym for like 7 years now, 6-7 years whatever, और मैं ये नहीं कर पा रहा था. So that made me realize कि हम जो most people जो जिम में जाते हैं, most of them can't even do a pull up, to be honest. बट मेजॉरिटी लोग अपने कार्डियोवैस्कुलर फिटनेस पे ज़रा भी फोकस नहीं करते. एंड दैट मेड मी रियलाइज़ कि
what exactly was it for me that meant to be fit. So I just got into thinking and I just got into studying, and then I realized how much of a factor cardiovascular health is in determining all cause mortality. आपका post 60 post 70 आपका heart किस तरह perform करेगा, all of these things. And weight training is also extremely important. I'm not saying it is you don't do weight training, but you gotta do both. So now my goal is to try and implement and find a balance to like implement both of these things into my routine. So right now I am focusing more on running, because of which I have lost a little bit of muscle definition because I'm not strength training as much. Trying to condition myself as an endurance athlete, build an aerobic base, क्योंकि मेरा तो कभी था ही नहीं. Build an aerobic base, lactate threshold, all of that good stuff. तो अभी उसी के लिए practice चल रही है. That is the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys. Second thing is, by the time you guys are watching this video, I would be certified as a personal trainer from the National Association of Sports Medicine. I am stoked, like I am so excited. जो पिछले 2-3 महीने मैंने पढ़ाई करी है इसके लिए, I was studying every single day, 90 minutes, some days 3 hours every single day for 3 months in a row, consistency, and I have like done so much of my work. मैंने इतना कुछ सीखा है. That's why I'm trying to build myself so much, क्योंकि I'm experimenting everything on myself, from everything that I learn, podcasts, books, research papers, like everything. So it has been an amazing journey. Or next stop is going to be a nutrition certification, because I want to like get more in depth with nutrition. It was a blast. Like last 3 months of summer were like so amazing, so crazy, and truly blessed to like be able to do all of these things. Wake up early, go for a run, study, work for like 40 hours every single week, record. Like it's just like things happening. I'm just like too happy. That was the second thing that I wanted to tell you guys about. And lately I've been reading a lot of books. I'm probably on my 6th book by the time you guys watch this video. I read, the first book I read was The Power of the Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murray. Then I read The 5 AM Club, Robin Sharma. The 8 Forms of Wealth by Robin Sharma again. And then I also read Good Economics for Bad Times by Abhijit Banerjee and Esther Duflo. And let's see. I read the Born to Run book by Christopher McCullen, if I'm pronouncing it right. It's about like running and the Tarahumara tribe who like run for like hundreds of miles without stopping. So it was like super fascinating. और कौन सी बुक पढ़ी यार? Yeah, और एक दो पढ़ी थी. I don't really like remember exactly, क्योंकि it's been like 2.5 months. But yeah, all of them were like super beautiful books. Listening to a lot of podcasts. I wanted to tell you about the podcast. So basically, recommendations. First, Andrew Huberman's Huberman Lab podcast. It's a must. Like if you're into fitness, health, and you're interested in figuring out your own body, whether it is like sleep or your digestion or your skincare or exercise or like whatever, it's like Huberman Lab. There's like no other podcast you need to go to. Second one that I've been listening to a lot is Modern Wisdom, Chris Williamson. Yeah, Modern Wisdom, Chris Williamson, his podcast, absolute beast. The third podcast, Nick Bare podcast. Okay, so this guy Nick Bare, he's the one I wanted to talk to you about. इसने मुझे इतना ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस करा है लास्ट 2 महीने में कि I have literally binged all of his podcast videos, all of his YouTube videos. And if you don't know who this guy is, I like insist you to like just go, look him up. He's a men's physique athlete, a marathoner, ultra marathoner. He's done Ironmans. He's probably done it all. Like there is nothing left now for him to do. such a beast. He owns the Bare Performance Nutrition brand. If anyone is into supplements here in the US or in India, they know like BPN is like one of the topmost brands in US when it comes to like supplements. And his podcast has been phenomenal. Recently I started listening to this podcast called The Founders, which is like a summary of all the biographies and autobiographies of all the famous founders of like all the big companies, and that has been super insightful as well. Yeah, so this has been my life lately, listening to podcasts. Not gonna lie, this is gonna sound really unrealistic, but I'm listening to podcasts like around 5 to 6 hours every single day on average. 5 to 6 hours. Reading a book about half an hour to 45 minutes every single day, depending upon how much I sit, which is not usually a thing that is happening quite often. For me, sitting, I'm always walking. And let's see what else. Yeah, I've been studying a lot about like for my certified personal training thing from NASM. It's absolutely a beast. Like I basically know more about my body than I know about my major in college. So it's funny. Yeah, I think that's it. Like that was all. It was like a super fun morning. Now आगे मेरा plan है कि I'm going to go home and study for like 90 minutes, क्योंकि I still have to go through the appendix of the book. Even though I have like fully studied the syllabus, I have to go through the appendix and like try to memorize the different muscle systems in the body. Like actually memorize, like know the names of the muscles and what are the groups that are being active, underactive, that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna do that, and then after that it's just more recording, more editing, and then I have a shift at 3 o'clock which will last till like 9. So that's my shift, and that would be my day. I'll sleep at around 10:30, and we are back up again tomorrow at 5 a.m. So ये मेरा routine चल रहा है अभी. Super amazed, man. It's unreal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys take something from this video and just like get up early, get going, sweat out early in the morning, and trust me, your day is gonna be like a beast. So go ahead. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.